Okay, I have brought them outside in hopes that you can see them just a wee bit better, because blacks are kind of hard to do videos with inside. So I brought them outside, and as you can see, they're 4 weeks old today. So here they are. So we're still not doing tons of stuff. We're walking around and all that kind of stuff, but the little guy on the right, he's definitely a little bit bigger. He's got a little bit bigger head, and you can just tell he's a little bit bigger. This one's got a little bit smaller face. He is definitely the tan and black. He has just a little speck of white on his chest. He's going to have the little definite tan markings, and he's going to have all 3 markings. So he's got it on his legs, and he's got it more of the white in his little face. But he's got the tan eyebrows too, so he's definitely considered a tricolor. So, see, but we are definitely little. And they're like, why are you videoing us? I can't say that I see a distinct personality in either one. As you can tell, they're not doing too much just yet. I can't say that one's going to be spunkier than the other, but I definitely just know size. The one on the right is definitely going to be just a wee bit bigger, just from what I'm seeing so far. So we don't expect them to be bigger than 7 pounds. Actually, if they make 7 pounds, I'll be kind of surprised. But you never know. Nature fools me, so I'm not going to promise. So here you go. I don't know if that's going to tell you a whole lot, but at least you can see them a little bit closer and get a little better view of what they look like rather than just pictures. So I guess I could pull them out a little bit. They're like, what are you doing and why are you doing this to me? He's got a little white tip on his tail too. I like this little tip. See, I'm just mostly solid. So, see, there you go. It's like, see, I don't know why we're out here. I know, guys. Seems a little weird to you, doesn't it? See, yeah. See, but we're about the same in personality. Can't say that I see too much difference. So I guess it's just a choice of what you like to see. And size might be. Alrighty, there you go.